We are witnessing the final frontier of portability. The device you carry in your pocket is about to outgun the camera you carry in your backpack. DJI has cornered the market on stabilized content, but their next move is not just an upgrade. It is a seismic shift that redefines the word vlogging. For years, the Pocket series has been the secret weapon of travelers and content creators: tiny size, huge stabilization. But it always had one core limitation: a fixed field of view. A single lens. That era is over. The leaks, the prototype images, the FCC filings, they all point to a single undeniable truth. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is coming, and it features a breakthrough that will fundamentally change how you shoot. It's the feature we've been begging for. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. And the professional cinema quality you seek is about to be placed directly into the palm of your hand. The dual camera revolution. Let's start with the headline. The leaks overwhelmingly confirm a dual camera setup on that tiny, stabilized gimbal head. This is the difference between a handy tool and a versatile professional instrument. Imagine a primary, large sensor wide-angle lens, likely the incredible 1-inch CMOS sensor refined even further for superior low-light performance. This is your cinematic workhorse. But right next to it, nestled onto the same gimbal, is a secondary telephoto or ultra-wide lens. What does this dual setup unlock? Seamless zoom capabilities that maintain high resolution. You can punch in on a distant subject without resorting to digital crop. More critically, it allows for sophisticated, built-in picture-in-picture modes for vloggers. Imagine effortlessly filming a beautiful scene with a wide lens while your reaction, shot on the secondary lens, is flawlessly framed on the screen. No need for complex external setups or multiple cameras. The Pocket 4 is rumored to handle this simultaneously, in camera, making reaction videos and travel commentary smoother than ever. This is not just about two lenses. It's about bringing the versatility of a modern smartphone camera system, complete with a powerful optical zoom equivalent, to a 3-axis mechanical gimbal. This is stabilization on steroids, applied to multiple perspectives. It's the end of single-shot monotony. Cinematic performance, 6K and 240 FPS. The Osmo Pocket 3 set a new standard for image quality in this form factor, but the Pocket 4 is rumored to push it into true cinema territory. While 4K 120 frames per second is expected to be maintained for incredible slow motion, the next major leak involves resolution, the potential for 6K video recording. Now, 6K isn't just a marketing number. It provides immense flexibility for post-production. It means you can crop a 4K image out of your 6K footage, stabilize it, and still have a flawless, high-resolution final product. It is the professional's safety net. Adding to this is the consistent rumor of Hasselblad Natural Color Solution integration, borrowing technology from DJI's top-tier drone line. This means richer, more nuanced, and more true-to-life colors straight out of the camera, saving hours in the editing suite and giving your footage that signature cinematic look. And for those who demand ultimate control, expect a robust, upgraded 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG profile, giving color graders the massive dynamic range needed to pull stunning detail from shadows and highlights. The footage coming out of this device will no longer look like vlogging footage. It will look like a miniature film. Ergonomics and control. The Infinity Gimbal.